So the other day I had an issue with my Sony A7 IV camera. Essentially what had happened was this screen turned off and essentially the only view was this. I'm going to show you what had happened. So essentially I was pressing the display options and for some weird reason it turned off this exact display over here. So I don't exactly remember what I did or how the problem exactly happened, but I pressed the display and eventually it just switched off completely. And I turned it on and off again a few times, kept running into the same issue where this screen was just not reappearing, and this was the fix to it. So essentially I turned the camera off, I took out the battery, boom, and then that gave it a full manual reset. I put the battery back in, boom, and that gives it a full manual reset, and then press the display option, and that seemed to have fixed the issue of this LCD screen not appearing. So hopefully that helps you guys with any similar issues with this camera, whether you're just not having this LCD not appearing, if it's not doing any touch sensitivity or anything. Hopefully this will help you manually reset the camera and actually fix the issue. Thank you for watching.